Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm just showing you a quick tutorial how to upload a video onto Redbubble. So I have my site here, my shop here open. It is Crush on Covers. Alright, so what I'm going to go to is the smallest icon, which is my avatar right here. And it's going to say upload work. So add a new work. Go ahead, click that. Then you're going to see this add a new work portfolio sign. Just click upload all products. And I have a couple images here, but I want this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Alright, there we go. So the image is uploaded. It's going to, if you scroll up, it's going to show you some ideas that some product that you could put it on. So right now it's showing me t-shirts, laptop pouches, mugs, book covers, the whole works clocks, and so forth. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to fix the image onto the product just because I want to make sure that it looks good when the person purchases it. So I'm going to go ahead and it says disable right now. See how this one's enabled with green and this one's disabled? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is click the disable button to enable it and have it, and I can click edit to go ahead and edit it. So it shows you the image that you click on, whichever one, the product, it's going to show you the image to adjust just below it. So this is what the product looks like, the image look like on this. So I'm going to go ahead and see here if I want to scroll it down smaller. Let's see if I tap it and just bring it down a little bit. And if I maximize it, see what that looks like. If I just do that with the hand only, that's what it's going to look like. If I scroll it down, that's what it's going to look like. I actually want the entire thing to be on it. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll it up. I'll let it to kind of fit the whole page, the whole box here. Oops. There. You can go ahead and do vertical alignment and horizontal alignment, and it will get it perfect for you. I'm just going to bring it down a tad bit and scroll it over just a tad bit. Perfect. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply changes. And then voila, there it looks centered to me here, this one, and I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and check this one out, edit. This looks okay enough for me. Let me see if I maximize it a bit. That's perfect. You can change the color too if you would like to. The only thing is that always remember that it has a background, so I didn't change my background, and it is on just the same white canvas that it was on. So what I can do if I want is go ahead and adjust the background. Let's see what edit means. but I'd have to adjust it in the program that I actually created it in. Okay. I'm gonna leave it on the black. It looks good on the black. Okay, I'm gonna try this one and see. This is also an idea too if you want to do multiple images just to get it actually centered. Sometimes if it's just one image, it never gets done properly. Okay. But if you do multiple images, you're able to get a better alignment to hold on the there. See, that looks better there, as opposed to how it just looked wonky and was falling off. So that is just a quick tip of how you upload onto Redbubble. And what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and put your description in and your keywords that you want people to search for, or words that you think people will be searching for. It also asks if you speak French or other languages, you can do a translation there as well. Then where would you like to put it? Photography, design and illustration, painting and mixed media, drawing, or digital art. I do have a collection already, which is flower power prints and cute shoes. And do I want image only? If you tap that, you will see a whole list of what products your print will be on, and you can choose which one you want to be displayed. Would you like anyone to see, which is a public or only private, and if there's any mature content in it, and then yes, this I own the rights and I'm able to sell this image. You go ahead and then you click save work. So it's going to take a little while for me because I'm going to go through all these just to ensure that they are actually looking good on the product, and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I have gone ahead and added my description. Prior is key to my prior hands, and add my tags. You have up to 50, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in digital art. And how about we make it design drawings? Let's go drawing. And I do want to put it in, nothing yet, not any of these collection. So I would like to put it on let's put it on notebook. Hardcover journal. Let's see what that looks like. And is this mature content? Meaning if there's nudity swearing, no, it's not mature. It's for everyone. And I do have the right to sell products with this artwork. Go ahead and save it. This is what's going to happen. It's going to be processing. There we go. Voila. Perfect. So on my notebook, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Yep. And you have other people's product as well. But here are some other product that I have that you could put on as well. Alright, so that was a quick tutorial on how to upload to Redbubble. Alright, to go ahead, my site would be www.redbubble.com people/crush uncovers, and you can go ahead and see my artwork as well. If you would like a print as a gift, by all means, thank you for your support, but just a quick tutorial to show you how it is actually done. If I want to go ahead and just look at my dashboard, I can click on my avatar and that will be my dashboard. It's loading up. I've just started this, so it is brand new as well, not tons of images on. But if I wanted to go ahead and upload another image, I could do that. But at the moment, oh, okay. So I just started this within a week and I have at least 29 visitors visiting my site. So thank you very much for checking it out. Absolutely, I appreciate it. So if you do like this and you want me to do more videos, whatever I've learned on Redbubble, go ahead and I'll definitely do some more. Okay, thank you.